Willoughby, Ohio, siding, roofing, windows permit bond. What is the Willoughby, Ohio, siding, roofing, windows permit bond? It is a type of surety bond required for contractors who perform siding, roofing, or window installation work within Willoughby. This bond acts as a financial guarantee that the contractor will comply with local building codes, ordinances, and licensing requirements. It involves three parties: the contractor principal, the city obligee, and the surety company that backs the bond. Why is Willoughby, Ohio, siding, roofing, windows permit bond required? The bond is required to protect the city and its residents from potential damages caused by faulty or non-compliant work. It ensures that contractors follow regulations and complete projects according to agreed standards. By requiring this bond, Willoughby promotes accountability and reduces the risk of financial loss due to contractor misconduct or negligence. How does Willoughby, Ohio, siding, roofing, windows permit bond works? The contractor purchases the bond from a surety company before being licensed or approved to work in Willoughby. If the contractor violates regulations or fails to meet contractual obligations, a claim can be filed against the bond. The surety may pay valid claims up to the bond amount, but the contractor is ultimately responsible for reimbursing the surety. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.